Hello, my name is Daniel and today we will enjoy working on tutorial number 11. All the information needed to construct the design are mentioned in the description of the video, so let's get started. File, New, we select part, we put the name of the part, tutorial 11, select OK. Insert body, right click the body, properties, future properties, rename the body, tutorial 11, select OK, hide these planes, insert another body, click on sketch, click on the plane that we want to work on. Now we can do like a sketch and draw the lines of our outside design. Just a moment, by using this option. We can just draw like this, and like this. Okay, perfectly. And by using corner, yeah. By using corner, we can put the exterior radius from here. This exterior radius should be 12. This line should be horizontal. Okay, perfect. So now we constrain. This distance should be 67. Okay, perfect. So from this to this should be 67 divided by 2. Perfectly. Let's zoom in a little, arrange the measurements a little. Okay, select constraint. Now from horizontal axis to this line it should be 10 millimeters. Excuse me, 12 millimeters. And this distance should be 17. Perfectly. Now we have to choose this distance from the circle. So we have from this point to this point 77. Perfectly. And from this point to this, excuse me, not to there, from this point to this line should be 32. Perfect. So now we have the design of our part. We arrange a little the measurements to be nice on the sketch. Or can put here, it's no problem. We exit the workbench. Now we have the design. We should transfer the design in a 3D, so we use option or function pad. We select pad, we select our 3D, or our sketch, and we try to do the design of 3D. So we put here 10 millimeters, for example. It's not important, this measurement, this is just for us to construct the 3D. We select OK. So as we can see, we have the pad with our 3D. Now we're gonna insert another body. We're gonna copy this sketcher and we're gonna paste it in this body. And now we need to construct the holes inside this 3D. So we go to this sketch that we copied here. We choose this option, so we are not able to click anything on the background. We select all the elements that we constructed earlier and we transform them in pointed lines because we just want them to be as guidance for us. Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna construct the holes. So first one, it will be this one. As you can see, because we used the previous design, we already have the measurements constraint, so it's much easier for us to position the holes. So this one should have a diameter of 14 0.5. Okay, and we're gonna construct 4 holes. Here, and for example here. Now we're gonna constrain them. Perfect. Every which one of them has a radius of 5. Okay, perfect. So now we have the radius of the circles, but we need to position them on the sketch because for the moment they are not positioned so they can move. Okay, so we're gonna click constraint. So this circle has a length, a distance of 12. This circle has a distance of 24. And this circle from this point to this point, we need to construct, we need to constrain from this to this. It's 24 plus 4, so it's 28. And from this distance to this distance, it will be 20. Or maybe 19. Let's try 19. Perfectly. Now we're gonna exit the workbench. We're gonna select pad again. We're gonna select the sketch. We want our new 3D to overpass the older 3D, so we're gonna choose more. And we're gonna put a dimension as big as possible to overpass our part, like this. We click OK. Now we define tutorial 11. We add body number 3 with this option. We select OK. As you can see, this body number 3 was added in tutorial 11. Now we're gonna define again tutorial 11. And we're gonna right click this body, number 4, we're gonna go to this option and we're gonna click remove. And we're gonna select OK. And what we did actually is removing the material from the original construction that we did. So we have some holes inside it. So now we can arrange it like a nice view, something like this maybe. Or maybe to be much clearly, something like this. You can click on tutorial 11. We can put a nice color, and this is our part for today. Thank you very much guys for staying with me. I hope you learned something today. If you didn't understand something, please leave a comment in the comment section. So we see each other next time. Goodbye guys. Hello guys, thank you for watching my content. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check my latest videos. See you soon, goodbye.